kinapita kukubwa hiki.
We are learning to drive. This is a little place, hidden place for learning, where I teach my brother-in-law here. He's already good with the power steering. He's very good with that, no problem. This is day 2, day 3. All right. There is a stop there. So we was looking for a place where there is no cars, there is no houses to start. But this is our 3rd day. So I guess we're gonna have to get into the cars for a little bit. You ready?
Yep.
Let's go. Okay, guys. All right. I'm so proud of him. He's doing so good for the studying. For the 3rd day, he's doing really good. We are turning right. Make sure clear. Yeah, he already knows the turn signals, and you already know. Okay, now we are getting into cars. We are getting into cars. There is cars parking left and right. So always, guys, for the studying, when you're teaching somebody, take him to a place where there is no cars for the first day, so that he memorized the power steering first, and his brakes, and his foot pedals. Day 2, you gotta give him again another chance to know to make corners, like turns, left and right turns, to get used to those. Day 3, then put him to where in a traffic where there is no cars, but where there is cars, but there is no traffic, bigger traffic, so he can learn what this is. This guy is stop, the yield signs, the do not enter signs, and so on, so he can know what he's been learning through the theories and put them in practice. Yeah, but here we are. He's already like a pro now. You may think that he's been driving for 10 years because he's a smart guy. He knows what he's doing now already, so I don't have to worry much about him. Yeah, guys, give us a thumb up if you like this video. And why is that car stopping? They're old people. Yeah. Why did they stop? They don't have stop. Oh, they're afraid of big car. They're like, yeah, let the big car go first. Alright, guys, so we are making loops around here, back and forth, and then we're gonna do it again in an opposite way, coming back the other time. Look at that turn. It's so smooth and perfectly aligned to the side, the driver's side. Hey guys, by the way, if you are watching this video from outside the US, in America we drive in the right hand side. Alright, guys, so we was just passing between those houses there, and now we are again back here, just to avoid more traffic. But very soon, probably in the step day 4, day 5, I'm gonna put him in. I'll start putting him in a real traffic, because after that, then I'll be sure that he knows all the rules. And actually, he already knows everything, but he still have to catch up with everything. Like, your head is like a memory, so he still need to save it into his memory, and every time he will remember, oh, I have to look in the right side or left side mirror, I have to pass it. Before I pass, I have to do this and this. So yeah, guys, yeah. Okay, guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. If this is your first time, remember to like and subscribe, share and put a thumb up, man, for the video. Guys, also, well, I'm gonna get a chance to show you this, my 2023 Ford pickup truck. Dude, this vehicle is very spacious. It's a full-size pickup truck of Ford company. Yeah, we will talk about it in details later, but right now I'm focusing on training my brother-in-law to drive. He just got here in US. He's enjoying life so far. And guys, let's go. I don't want to interrupt him, so let's go.
Unafikia wapi? Hautamalizaka.
Tuendelee, enda tuko sawa.
Yeah.
Papa Hassan.
Yeah.
Unafanya kazi nzuri bwana.
Asante.
Unafanya kazi nzuri.
Unaona ka steering nisha ka maintain. Una hapa nilikuwa na nani? Nilikuwa na yumba ka. Epo yuko unasema juu ya pale kuna nifa show yako.
Mbio yako hiyo. Sasa amemetrize gari. Hapa sasa slow down kidogo. Wewe kama vile mwe tunasimama juu tuongee kwa kingisi tunaenda.
Yeah. Sasa igu shimama njwe ngaliki na ni
Yeah, good job.
Yeah. Tuendelee?
Yeah, tuendelee mpaka kule light.
Okay. Mimi najisikia na kabuka kanaanza kuisha.
Njoo bien. Njoo bien. Hapa wiki mbili tena kidogo tukifanya hii. Na utakuwa umemalizana sasa, itakuwa ni kurevision sasa.
Yeah, it's true.
Juu ufanye nani? Uanze sasa uwaze ya exam.